The past passes the future as again she gives birth, only to pass away again with no lasting worth, while the present's hanging around, largely ignored, going underground. Even 1,000 lifetimes won't do to bring me back to peace and back home to you, while the present's just a hanging around, largely ignored and going underground. Like a prisoner he may be found, but he's largely ignored, going underground. Forgiveness is now the purpose of time, bringing salvation back into my mind. Atonement and redemption are here to set me free to the Beulah land's perfect liberty. You know, then and when are only your friends, when you move into the present and cease to pretend that the future holds for you charms of the body. It's time to choose for peace and not wars so bloody. The past passes the future as again she gives birth, only to pass away again with no lasting worth, while the present hangs around as the father, largely ignored, going underground. Doesn't matter, he's a prisoner, but he may be found underground, ground. Go to him, he's underground, waiting for you to set him free. That's what to do.